When my ambitions are clear, when my dreams become real, what exactly is the next step? Do I stop? Or do I work harder? The world around us is growing and changing every second. Something new is developing. Something old is perishing. So how can I stand still? I can't. Being what I want to be is a journey with no destination. And I can't stop midway. So, I continue to thrive and keep my roots alive. I learn every day. Because being a doctor is not a destination. The learning has just begun.